Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most mysterious and fascinating birds in the world, the owl. Owls are known for their silent flight, sharp eyesight, and haunting calls at night. They have inspired stories, myths, and legends across cultures for centuries. In this video, we will learn about what owls are, different types of owls, their habitat and lifestyle, hunting skills, diet, behavior, life cycle, role in nature, and amazing owl facts. So, let's begin our journey into the secret world of owls. An owl is a bird of prey belonging to the order Strigiformes. Owls are mostly nocturnal, which means they are active at night. They are easily recognized by large, forward-facing eyes, flat facial discs, sharp, curved beaks, strong talons. Unlike many birds, owls cannot move their eyes. Instead, they turn their heads, sometimes up to 270 degrees. There are over 250 species of owls found around the world. Some well-known types include barn owl, white face and heart-shaped facial disc, found on farms and open fields; snowy owl, white feathers, lives in cold Arctic regions; great horned owl, large size, horn-like feather tufts; eagle owl, one of the largest owl species, powerful hunter; and little owl, small in size, found in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Each owl species is perfectly adapted to its environment. Owls live on every continent except Antarctica. Common owl habitats include forests, deserts, grasslands, mountains, farmlands, and urban areas. Some owls live in tree holes, while others nest on cliffs or abandoned buildings. Owls are mostly active at night. At night, they hunt, call to communicate, protect their territory. Owls use different sounds: hooting, screeching, whistling. Each sound has a meaning, such as warning others or attracting a mate. Owls usually lay 2 to 7 eggs at a time. Life stages: eggs, hatchlings, young owlets, adult owls. Both parents often help raise the young. Owlets learn to fly and hunt within a few weeks. Owls can live 10 to 15 years in the wild, up to 25 years in captivity. Owls play a very important role in the ecosystem. They help by controlling rodent populations, protecting crops, and maintaining balance in nature. Farmers often welcome owls because they reduce harmful pests naturally. Here are some interesting facts. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Their feathers are designed for silent flight. Some owls have asymmetrical ears. Owls swallow prey whole and later regurgitate pellets. Baby owls are called owlets. Owls are truly one of nature's most incredible birds. From their silent flight to their sharp hunting skills, owls are perfectly designed for life in the dark. They are not symbols of fear. Instead, they are symbols of wisdom, balance, and natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which animal or bird you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.